Hello, how are you? Welcome back to Smart Pro Review TV. This one is Nature Power Bathing Soap, 98% glycerin with the honey. This one is Yellow Bathing Bar. Okay, let's review this Nature Power, and this one cost 25 rupees. Okay, let's review this honey bar. Now it's a review time. We used this soap once for bathing, and my review is it's just give the same feel like pear soap. Both have same smell and same look alike soap. Maybe because the same smell because they used both in both soap. They used so much of glycerin in it. Just same like the same ingredients, and it's also on top quality just like pear soap, but there is a difference is there. We can feel them, we can feel it, that difference from this Nature Power soap and pear soap. And my rating for this Nature Power honey soap is 8 out of 10. Okay, thank you.